If you want to cast YouTube app to TV from Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, first of all, we're gonna open YouTube. There we go. Now, once you open YouTube, let me actually close this. Then what you can do is you can start watching a video. In the past, you could immediately start casting by using the cast button that was here in the upper right corner, but for some reason now it is not available. So what we can do is we can start watching something, anything, and then once you have the video running, then you can find the cast button in here in the on the upper side of the screen. So we need to use this button over here, so this square with a Wi-Fi icon or something like that. And then we will begin casting, or we should be able to try to find our TV over here. So if you can find your TV on this list, then of course you want to select it and start casting the app. If not, you might need to link with TV code. So we can tap on link with TV code. You can also find instructions on how to get the TV code on your TV if you don't know how to do so. And then you should be able to enter this TV code in here, and you can easily start casting YouTube on your TV. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.